Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Joan Guma, 31 years old, from Santiago City, Philippines. I am single mom with a 14-year-old son. I am 154 cm. I can say that I am a hardworking and a very patient person because I have 3 years experience as a helper here in the Philippines. My work duty is cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, and take good care of a 4-year-old girl. And I also willing to take care of baby, elderly, and kids. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I hope you consider my plea to be one of your trusted employee, and I promise to do my best until I finish my contract. Thank you very much, and God bless you always.